In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page on Webflow. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing. Let's go right into it. Now, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and I'll teach you a few different ways depending on maybe your situation. So, what you want to do, of course, is log into your Webflow account first of all. You can see here I'm logged in, and you want to go ahead and find the website that contains the page. So, I'm going to go into this one here, and I'm going to open the designer. Once you click on Open Designer, it might take a few seconds to actually load it up, but you can see there it's pretty quick overall. So once you go ahead and open up the designer, we can go over to the left hand side here, and we're going to see this section here called Pages. Now here are all the different pages you have. So what we can do is, let's say this page here, the Contact Us page, or let's say the About Us page actually. We can go ahead and hide this. We would have to hover over it on the Pages bit. And you can see here there's a little settings cog. So there's a few ways to hide it. The first way I would recommend is through access control. Now you can restrict who can view the page. By default it's on public, but you can change it to a password only page, meaning that people need a password to access it. Or you can put it on specific users only, meaning that only specific users can access it. So you can go ahead and change that, and that'll basically change the permissions of it and only allow certain people to view it. Now for this you will actually have to upgrade your plan. You have to get a site plan to protect it with a password. So it is going to cost you. If you're trying to do it for free, then it's not the best option. The second way that you could go about doing this is by actually deleting the page. To delete the page, it's up here. You've got this here, delete this page. And if you press that button, are you sure you want to delete the about page? If you press delete, that's going to go ahead and delete the whole page. The problem with this is that you can't get it back and it's deleted for good. So that's something else you've got to take into account. Now once you've gone ahead and actually deleted it, then you'll probably want to delete it from the navigation as well. And to do that you can just kind of click on the navigation, select the block here, and then you can go ahead and just press the delete button or right click it and remove it. And that's going to remove it from the navigation there. But that's basically how you go ahead and hide a page in Webflow. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to go down below and like and subscribe. Comment down below if it helped you out, and thank you so much for watching.